guys, surprise, surprise. The truck that I took down to Robbie Layton. Robbie completely took this truck apart, painted everything, door jambs and everything. I think Robbie did a great job. So like, this is literally a great truck now. This week, we're gonna be installing that mechanics body on it with a crane, generator, hydraulic pumps, everything. I've got to get that done this week. And Aaron's got to fix the fat truck, mount the crane, rebuild the hood, do a bunch of work. We've got a lot of work to do this week. A lot of unknowns, but we got to get to Oregon on Wednesday. Let's see if we get there.
So Sam is going to tack together all the pieces we have that are basically going to support our box and whatever we decide to put on the sides of the fat truck. I'm going to move on to doing the outriggers and the hitch receiver. So that's going to be my job. His job is going to be to get this up on the side of this thing. So we'll kind of bounce back and forth till we get it done. We have to cut the rest of the rectangle stock for the back of the fat truck with a crane, get all that welded in, get our winches mounted through hitch receivers, finish rebuilding the roof. So yeah, it's still a ton of work, way too much work.
And we have to do the 6500.
Oh, I see. I mean, out of sight, out of mind. It's not even here right now. That portion of this video is actually me filming myself this weekend because Cole has to go to a bachelor party.
Yeah.
Look, we've been to 1 million weddings, and guess what? Rocked them all.
I'm sorry. It sounds stupid.
Sweet.
But
Alright guys, just finished up for the day. It's looking real nice. Everything's looking square. Honestly perfect. But we're not done. Aaron's got a little bit more work to do on the design side, and hopefully we can have it done in a week for the conference. Can't wait to see what this thing does. It's looking real nice.
All right, so we're almost done with our crane skid. So basically now we're at a point where we got to tie in a few more things. Sam's going to be adding a couple more tubes to this, and then we're going to end up moving over to the roof and getting the roof crane pedestal all done and getting that all back together, get the windshield back on it, pull everything apart, get it painted, get everything cleaned up, get it wired, and then we will be ready to take this thing to Oregon, which is basically one working day away because it's the weekend and it's President's Day also. But I'll be here all weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday, which I think everybody's gonna be off for President's Day. And then I have until I think about 4 o'clock Tuesday to get this thing done. So it is a ton of work. Hopefully everything goes well as far as finishing up with electrical, because that's been holding me up. But as soon as I get electrical going and I get the plasma table up and running, I should be able to knock all this out pretty quick. If I can't get the plasma going today, I'm screwed.
We are screwed.
Let's just not let that happen. Yeah, let's just get the plasma table running.
So we just got done making these U-brackets that are going to support the crane, as well as they're going to hold these beams that are going to hold the sleeves for the outriggers. Going to give you some extra support. It's going to be nice and tight in here. Going to have some good strength as it's attached to the front as well as the back. It's going to look nice.
All right, happy President's Day, everybody. It's about noon on President's Day. We have to have the fat truck, the 6500, done by tomorrow at 4 o'clock so we can leave town. It needs to get up to Eugene, Oregon by Wednesday at 4 o'clock. So there's really no fudging there, no time. We have to get this fat truck that's not done, this frame done, and the 6500 done before tomorrow at 4 on a truck, loaded, ready to go to Eugene, Oregon.
See that?
What happened?
It's literally damn, it almost blew a hole in there too. The ground, it scooted over from bare over to the paint, and then off she went. I was kind of wondering as I was welding my arc, like I need to clean up that tungsten, but the arc was just like really sporadic, like I had a bad ground. Yeah, that makes sense, but I had a bad ground. Oh well. A little more sanding, a little more cleanup, and they'll be ready to paint. Plates there, plates for this. We'll cut those out of the next sheet. Why is this common? It's always down to the last minute for one of these trade shows or something. Can you tell me that?
We had to move.
We had to move shop. That's the biggest problem. We had to move shop. We didn't have any tools set up in the middle of a build, and then all of a sudden, as soon as the tools get working, 3 days later, all of us has to leave to go to a trade show. And it's President's Day, so there's nobody here except for TJ and you, camera guy, Cole, and yeah.
Oh, how did it go last night, buddy?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. What do we got here? Looks nice.
Hitch plate, or crane plate, down tubes.
I didn't even
storage
see the
plates.
down tubes.
Storage plates.
Yeah, I left here about midnight last night. Aaron still worked. Looks like he got quite a ways.
I took a nap.
Took a nap, but I mean,
Took a nap. We're getting it.
That's called sleeping.
It is
It's not
sleeping.
called taking a nap.
No, it was a nap.
If it's
it was
in the middle of the
it
night,
wasn't. No,
it's
it wasn't
actually called
satisfying.
like
We have to put in these 2 plates in the back here, sand it, paint it, and then get it put in. And I think while we paint it, I'll go get the 6500 and bring it back here so we can get the wheels and tires put on it. Hopefully everything fits good on that. Hopefully it clears the bed.
Ooh, what size are those again?
43s.
If you don't recognize these, I probably shouldn't even tell you. But
We had to take them off something. For now.
we took them off the hauler for now.
Let's just peek at it. I'm not walking all the way out.
Dude, it looks so silly.
I haven't seen it actually. Oh hell. Get a gander.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
The wheels and tires that we planned on
one show.
did not come. And this truck's a one-show truck. And then we can get some tires for it. The person that's gonna buy it might not even want this big of tire. They're probably gonna want something a little bit more economical.
It is going to a logging convention though, so
Yeah.
they might want these, and they might want these with a different set of gears, or they might want them with the gears that are in it. But you don't know. I don't know about loggers. I really don't. I don't know jack about loggers. They might want some big tires though.
All right, time to see the sort of finished product. Got a few odds and ends to finish up on the 6500 Mega Mechanics truck today. Then she's going on the transport off to Oregon. I'll be on a plane right behind it. See if I can go get that thing sold. Start building a whole bunch of those things.
Man, I was hoping for a road trip in the semi with Jim.
Sure can. There's always time for that.
All right, we got down here to Terry's Tops, and the 6500's looking nice. The paint job Robbie Layton put on it looks really good with the rain on it. The black grille and bumper and everything, the headlights, good call on swapping those out. Painting the hydraulic tank, air compressor, the crane, the body, getting the whole thing re-rhino lined. We noticed some spots that it was coming up. Had to bring it over here last minute to get it re-rhino lined, but it looks amazing. Can't wait to get those wheels and tires on it to see what it really looks like. Now, if you've got any interest in any of the machines that you see on the channel, or any heavy duty equipment, hit Jim up. I'm going to include his information, personal cell phone number. If you want to text him, go ahead and text him. He'll hit you up with a price and maybe do some negotiating with you on this truck, and dang, it could be yours.
Okay, next step, we're gonna run this puppy back over to our shop. The wheels and tires mounted up. A few little odds and ends to put back on. Got a little door on the rear passenger bumper to put on. Obviously a whole bunch of touch up. Get it clean and get it loaded. Get this thing on the road.
Ooh, Sambo, we getting ready for paint, buddy?
Getting ready for paint.
This looks nice, guys. This looks real nice. So we're gonna spray paint this thing for the show. I think the proper thing to do would be to powder coat it, but we don't have enough time to send it to powder coat before the show. So when it gets back, might have it sandblasted and powder coated if it needs it. This is just for our personal use, and this thing might change later, so I don't think we're too attached to the way it is right now, but it looks pretty freaking amazing. Got that. We've got TJ putting the roof on the fat truck. Then we still got to put tires and wheels on that bad boy.
All right. It's been a long ass weekend, whatever. 6500 is done. It's an awesome truck. Robbie Layton color matched the body that we had. So he painted the cab, door seals, everything. Looks gorgeous. I love this truck. It's got a Miller impact on it. We have a monstrous Tiger crane. This thing's the cat's meow. I love this truck. If I had a service truck, it would be this. Well, if I can afford it, obviously. And TJ is tightening the last 2 bolts on the fat truck. So we put the Venturo crane on it. We set it down, I think last episode, and kind of got a visual effect on it. We got it all done. We got the buyer's boxes on it. We got the winch on the back. Everything, welded out, reinforced, mounted to the fat truck. We did, new roof, a few other little things. And now it's off to the logging convention. So at this point, I think I don't know what time it is. It's late. It has to be to the logging convention tomorrow at 4 o'clock. And transporter just bounced out on us. So Jim was gonna fly to Oregon. Now Jim's gonna drive from Salt Lake City to Oregon, and driving that with the trailer, pulling that all throughout the night. I feel bad for Jim a little bit, but we're not gonna help him out. We've been up 3 a.m. We're all tired. He's gonna have to do the solo drive on this one. But heck yeah, it's done, and we're thankful.